Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Pad 8 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Then let's localize this build number section, build number basically, and all we have to do is to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. After that, let's tap on System and Updates and tap on Developer Options. Here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can manage the GPU renderer, we can change the animation scale, the window animation scale, we can show surface updates, visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got options connected with the networking and debugging, etc. So all you have to do in order to turn on the feature is to tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, just tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're also done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off. Just go to the very top of the list and tap on the switcher at the top. And as you can see, the developer options will immediately disappear from the system and updates. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.